Yo, what's up everybody? I'm about to show you a real cool experiment. What happens if you put dry ice in boiling water? Well, let's find out. And kids, make sure you have an outdoor supervision. And make sure you wear gloves as well. Because dry ice is basically sour carbon dioxide and it's 110 degrees below zero. So it's very cold. And this is actually dry ice and water that I put in earlier, which is almost dissolved, but we're gonna put dry ice in the boiling water and we'll see what happens. It's gonna be epic, so let's get to it. Alright, so the water's boiling now, so let's see what happens. You guys ready? 3, 2, actually you'll turn the heat on. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! What? That was so unexpected!
Crazy.
Whoa! Whoa! That was the craziest experience ever. And thankfully it's not real smart, otherwise I would get in trouble. So, oh my god. You guys see this? Wow. Oh my god. Oh man. That was incredible. Thumbs up for that for sure. Well guys, that was totally unexpected. Wow. And it's still going, as you can see. It's incredible. So I really hope you guys really enjoyed that experiment. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day. And as always, peace out.